IELTS स्पीकिंग आपके लिए प्रॉब्लमेटिक है? डू यू फील सम confusions, problems, issues, hurdles in IELTS speaking? So we are here to fix this problem. All right. So come on here and see IELTS speaking में if we see the total weightage, it is individual band range for this is 9 band. All right. हर मॉड्यूल की अपनी बैंड रेंज होती है जो कि 9 है, फिर टोटल की मल्टीप्लीकेशन होती है, डिवाइड बाय 4 होता है, देन you can say get the individually bands for each module. So today we are gonna discuss about discuss IELTS speaking. All right. So IELTS speaking में सबसे पहले we have to check with the assessment parameters. एग्जामिनर जो है वो IELTS speaking में वो दोनों तरह हो सकता है, मे बी इन पर्सन ऑल्सो पॉसिबल एंड ऑन वीडियो कॉल दिस इज ऑल्सो पॉसिबिलिटी देयर. ऑलराइट. और जो IELTS स्पीकिंग है दैट कुड बी ऑन द सेम डे एज यू कैन से on 3 modules, like you are taking the test on that day, you can take the test of this speaking, or on a separate day you can take this test. All right. Please come on to these points. Assessment parameters या एग्जाम क्राइटेरिया क्या है? एग्जामिनर आपकी स्पीकिंग में what points they note in your speaking while you speak. All right. So the first of all, the very big thing, the very first thing that they note in your speaking while you speak fluency. So no compromise on fluency. There is no compromise. Zero tolerance policy on your fluency. So अगर आप एग्जाम में स्पीकिंग टेस्ट दे रहे हैं IELTS में, तो don't stop anywhere. जो बोल रहे हैं ता बोलते जाएं, no problem. Okay, if you're doing a mistake, obviously you have to prepare yourself before the exam, and it needs specific practice on daily basis. It is not just before the exam, 1 week, 2 week, you can practice yourself. So on daily basis, you have to practice with special expressions, vocabulary, lexical resources, grammatical, you can say range, structures you have to follow for that. So you have to prepare yourself. Not within a night, over a night you cannot get your best score like 9 bands, 8 bands. It's not possible. You have to make yourself perfect in speaking. Your fluency should be accurate, and your pronunciation should be accurate. You're speaking, the word is Pakistan. I'm going to the market for grocery items. I'm doing this activity on daily basis. There is nothing you have to say in a very good way. I'm going to market to purchasing grocery items. The each and every stress pronunciation, fluency thing is what is fluency. It doesn't mean that you have to speak ta each and everything. The sentence you're mixing. No, we don't mean that. What's your name? Where do you live? My name is, this is Mohammed Zishan Jamil. I belong to Pir Mahal. I do, you can say, teaching these days. Basically, I belong to this city, and further I have a plan to go abroad. My future, you can say, plan is to go abroad. And I want to get enrolled in some university courses like this. All right. So the sentence should be connected. Not like this. The mixing each and everything is not there. And don't create a pause after completing one sentence. Like, my name is Mohammed Zishan, and this pausing and this stopping, it is not allowed. It is not. This will cut your marks in exam. your band range will be low. So pauses नहीं होने चाहिए, unnecessary pause नहीं होना चाहिए. एक सेंटेंस कंप्लीट किया, जितना नेचुरल पॉज होता है आप उतना ले सकते हैं. और इसी तरह प्रोनाउंसिएशन, देयर सम स्पेसिफिक रूल्स इन प्रोनाउंसिएशन. आपने टीएच कैसे प्रोनाउंस करना है इंग्लिश के अंदर. हम नॉर्मली टीएच को था के साउंड से प्रोनाउंस करते हैं. हम कहते हैं देयर. इंग्लिश में, इन इंग्लिश इट इज नॉट देयर, इट इज there. The word is like, I'm simple giving you the example. We say like hadith. The word is hadith. It is how it is written in English. It is like this. It is like this. Hadith. So it means that th sound represents this sa. Alright? So there is so many things. We don't say things. So like this. Total Pakistan, to stress on PTK. PTK, you have to put some stress on the letters P and T and K like this. Alright? Okay, in the same way, grammatical accuracy. It is very necessary in your speaking. You have to create grammatical accuracy. Like conditionals, if you are speaking conditional structure, it should be very good. If you are speaking present tense, it should be perfect. If you speak the sentence in past tense, the tense should be very correct. If you speak the sentence in future tense, the structure should be very good. Proper structure. This takes the full balance. Okay. The last thing is lexical resources. What is lexical resources? The vocabulary. Now, like you can see, the word is very common. We are speaking. We speak very common. No. You have to say omnipresent. You have to say ubiquitous. You have to say, you can say, like these words you have to come with in the exam. In the real exam, in IELTS taking test, you have to come with lexical resources. Okay. Now come to the point, like if you want to prepare yourself in speaking, in listening, in reading, in IELTS writing properly, so you can follow my YouTube channel as well, and you can take online classes. I am providing online classes as well, so you can contact through my, you can say, the number would be there given here on this channel, on this you can say, you can contact me for your personal coaching, online coaching. So inshallah I will give you each and everything, even with lexical resources, vocabulary, grammatical, each and everything would be discussed there, and you will be properly prepared, and it is my promise that you will get 7+ bands in your real exam if you practice properly with me. Thank you very much.